Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. My name is Baird, glad to have you. And in today's video, we're going to be going over some winning products that you can sell on your Shopify stores. So let's get right into it. We're gonna scroll through Facebook, we're gonna find a Facebook ad, we're gonna go to AliExpress, look at the margins, we're gonna go in the store, see how they're selling it, see what they can do to improve their offer, whether it's the proper description, whether it's the price point, whether it's the call to actions, whether it's the trust badges, security, all that kind of stuff. We're gonna go over absolutely everything in this video, so get comfortable, get ready, because it's gonna be a good one. Alright, so before I start this video, you guys know that I give away one free consulting call every single video, so if you want to be entered to win one free consulting call, all you have to do is 1, be subscribed, 2, like this video, and 3, comment ecom along with a video you want to see me make in the future. And it's that simple, you're entered to win a free consulting call. So today's consulting call winner is Adobrow Lewis. You commented ecom, what are some best niches for beginners to get into? Well, I would always recommend you get into a niche that you're knowledgeable at. Let's just say I'm not going to jump into the ballerina niche because I know nothing about ballerinas or their equipment or whatever they need to do their dances. I'm going to go into a niche that I know stuff about already. So if you like video games, you're really good with computer equipment, you can make a technical store, a gaming store, a video game store. You know, if you're really good with jewelry, if you know the price points on jewelry, how to sell it, then maybe make a jewelry store. If you're really good with arts and crafts, then make an arts and crafts store. It's really simple. I mean, just think about what you would love to sell first off. You want to enjoy what you're doing. And if you don't know what niche you want to get into, then I would suggest you maybe make a general store, test a whole bunch of products, and then figure out what's working, and then kind of go towards that one product that's working. So hopefully that answers your question. If you want to talk to me on Instagram, you did win the consulting call, so just message me on Instagram. It's right here with your name saying, hey, I won the consulting call, and we'll set up a time to talk about whatever you want. So congratulations once again. Alright, so now that we did the little giveaway, let's get on into the video. Also, real quick, if you guys have any preference on what kind of products you want me to do product research on in my future videos, then comment down below. If you want me to do just higher ticket items, then I will do higher ticket items. If you want me to do lower ticket items that are selling really frequently, then I'll do that. Or if you have any niche you want me to research, I would love to do that for a video, so just comment down below. I read all comments, so I'll see your comment no matter what. Alright, so here are 8 products that you should consider selling on your Shopify store right now because they are moving. Alright, so for each product I have an AliExpress link, a Facebook ad video, and a store selling that one product that you can use for descriptions or title or imagery, all that kind of stuff. So the very first product is right here, let's get into it. It is the portable door jammer. So this basically just lets you lock any door, whether you're traveling, whether you're at school, whether you're anywhere you are, it makes you safe. You're able to lock any door, whether the door has a lock already, whether it doesn't. Even if it does, this basically secures your door. It explains the product it's using. It explains the product being used, it explains what it does, it shows some really high quality 360 images or 360 videos. There's larger version for business and schools. So this could be an amazing product that you could actually get really good upsells with, because maybe people are going to buy this for their school. Maybe a principal sees this, they're going to want to buy it for school, or maybe a business owner is going to want to see this and buy it for their whole business, their whole office. So chances are you're going to have people buying more than one of them. You can get it on AliExpress for around $18.99 shipped from China with $1.99 shipping, so around $21 or so. And you can sell it, well, this store is selling it for around, so they're selling the travel size one for $30 on Amazon and $50 for the bigger one on Amazon as well. So this seller ordered inventory of this product so they can get away with a little bit smaller margins, but usually you want to sell this for around $39 to $49 on your store because you're getting it for around $18. So that gives you around a $20 to $30 profit margin. Now when you're running Facebook ads or you're doing Instagram influencers for this one product right here, think about who would be interested in this one product, and not only who would be interested, who would buy more than one. Because we don't want somebody to buy one, we want somebody to buy 5 or 10 of them, obviously, because we want that bigger order. So think of like school principals, think of like any kind of office work or any kind of job that has an office. Alright, so the next product right here is called, or the page is called Nourish Bell, and it is basically just this one anti-wrinkling, anti-aging device. I'll let you play the video right here. It's got 2.4 thousand comments, 11,000 likes, and a lot of shares. If we click on this video, let's see, mute it, 2,500 shares. 6 months ago, 4.4 million views, so this is definitely selling. They're currently selling this 5-in-1 LED skin tightening device for $49.95. They're getting it for around, I want to say, what, $19, $20 or so. So there's a $20 to $30 profit margin for each, which is good, which is what I shoot for. I want to get at least $20 per product or per unit profit. This is a product that's been sold for a little while now. I've seen this one product a couple times on Facebook, but other than that, I think it's still an amazing product, especially now that we're getting towards fall, winter, all that kind of stuff. Beauty care and all that really starts popping. Alright, so this product I think is a really cool product. So it's called a spring pipe dredging tool. Basically it's like a little clamp. You can go and you can put it in a sink, you can put it in your tub, you can put it anywhere you want. You can literally grab anything with it. It's universal. It's just being advertised for a sink or for toilets or this kind of stuff in this one video, but you can really use it in any kind of scenario. like it shows everything right here. So yeah, it shows people getting cards behind their fridge. It shows people getting stuff that they can't reach. This is a really useful device. It solves a problem. So if you go to the store, it's called Spring Pipe Dredging Tool. They don't have any reviews, which is not good. You want to make sure you have some reviews, or if you don't have reviews, then just make sure you don't have the reviews app enabled so it doesn't say 0 reviews, because that's just going to hurt you. It's not going to help you. Now for their coloring, I guess I'm just critiquing their store. For the coloring, it's all really light colors. I'd have this a little bit darker, this a little bit darker, make it pop more, and this a little bit darker to make it pop more. Other than that, nothing really pops out. It's all kind of just gray and kind of sad. But their description is pretty good. You know, they got a good description. They don't have any GIFs or anything like that in it. It's very simple. It's not like super lengthy, but I like how they made their description not extremely basic. You know, they have different colors. They've got bold, they've got normal font, they've got bold font. But one thing I would do is I would add a GIF of this one product, or I'd add some kind of images down in the description, so when you're scrolling on your phone, you see the images as you're scrolling through the description. So that's a really cool product. If you want to sell it, you can sell it for around $14 to $15. I'd suggest around $20 or so, just to give yourself some more leeway. Obviously with Facebook ads, you're getting it for around we're getting it for around $2.56. Your profit margin's around $17 or so, which isn't amazing, but this is a really useful tool. It really does solve a problem, and I kind of stopped when I was scrolling through this on Facebook because I looked at it and I thought, wow, I used to have that when I was a kid, and I would love to get that, and it brought back some memories. So, you know, with upsells, obviously it worked very well. People would most likely buy 2 of these because one of them is just not really enough. Fairly untapped product. I would definitely test it out if you want. Moving on to the next product we got right here. It's a slow rebound pressure pillow. They're selling it for $39.99. Let's look at the Facebook ad. So it's basically just like a rebound, like moon-shaped crescent pillow where you can put your arm underneath it, you can put it on your leg, you can rest on it, you can put it while you're sleeping, you can lean forward on your desk while you're sleeping. There's a lot of different uses for it, and this Facebook ad really does show the uses in a great way. Let's click on their See More link. Do they have a description up right here? And so so it's called the Slow Rebound Pressure Pillow. They're selling it for $39.99, compared at $79.98. They have a 1-piece and 2-piece standard. Now this store does a really good job at selling this product in the description. They've got GIFs of the product being used right here. It's some lady and the guy's sitting down on his arm underneath the pillow, so showing an example of what it would be applicable in. They've got different color, they've got bold, they've got an image right here, they've got trust badges, and they have photos along the left side. It shows more photos of the product. And if you look at their page, you can see that they started in March, 0 visitors in March, 45K at the end of March, all right, 45K April, 67K May, and then 202,000 in June. So they're popping right now. They were definitely doing very well with this one product. Actually, if we look at their best sellers and see what their best selling product is, these were their 3 best sellers. This is definitely selling very well, this mini drone quad UFO, especially with the Area 51 whole fad. All right, so moving on to the next product right here. It is this one charging cable and bracelet for your iPhone, Type-C, or Android phone. And it's really cool. So you have this bracelet around. It looks like a leather bracelet because it is. And in that bracelet, there is, it's a really short video. In that bracelet, there's just a USB cable for your phone. 2.7 thousand comments, 32,000 likes. This was posted a month ago. Page is called Best For You. They've got 6.7 million views. So this product was absolutely going crazy. If we click on the link, we can see the page that's selling. It's called Alien Life. Oh, low battery. Hot sale, buy 2 free shipping. I don't know why, just a horrible title, but they're selling it pretty well. They've got GIFs, they've got images, they've got a lot of colors in their description. They've got a pretty lengthy description, so I'm assuming that this product was doing crazy. If we click on the similar web information, look, you can see right here. This store did not exist about 2 months ago. June had 1.94 thousand views. Boom, July had 76,000 views. So this product is probably popping. I assume that it's gonna keep on going up, but this is a really cool product. It's really unique. You know, you think of it, you look at the video ad and you're like, wow, that's cool. It looks very discreet. If you look at the images right here, it looks pretty dope. It looks pretty dope. So you wouldn't even assume that that's the charger, you know. This could come in handy. They're selling it for $14.99, $15. We can get it for around $2, so there's around a $13 profit margin. Now, most likely they're buying more than one. You know, buy 2, free shipping. So they're buying 2, let's just say that they're buying 2 for $30. It costs you $4, $5, that's a $25 profit margin. This product's really cool and it's selling pretty well. So moving on to the next product. Actually, I need to get my laptop charger because my laptop's about to die. All right, moving on to the next product now that I have a charger. plugged into my laptop. It is this one store called Sway Blue or Swab Blue store. It's this one, it's like this toothpick, this tooth like watering pick that you'll see at the dentistries that just basically just gets rid of the plaque and all that bad stuff on your teeth. You know, it shows stain eraser, blah, blah, blah. It limits stains and plaque, and it says it whitens your teeth. Almost 1,000 shares, 1.2 thousand comments, 2.7 thousand likes, 6.8 million views, and this was also posted about a month ago. So if you actually click the link, it doesn't bring it to the right product page, so we'll have to go to shop, and then let's just type in tooth, and here's the product right here. Sonic Scalar Ultrasonic Stain Plaque Removers. Quantity breaks right here. They've got some GIFs in the description. They've got their logo in the actual GIF. They have it again right here. Perfect. They've got some good images, and they've got this huge buy now thing. I'm assuming that this is doing very well. If we look at the similar web, we can see this huge spike, I assume. Yep. You know, they're doing okay. Testing, testing, testing. Bam. July 97, almost 100,000 visitors. For this one product, I assume if we click on the best selling, let's see what they're selling is popping. It's not gonna show us, that's fine. But yeah, they're selling this for $19. We can get this on AliExpress for around $4 right here. And I assume that people are buying usually more than one of them because it's a lower priced product. So the upsells will really do wonders for this one product alone. If you click on the video, it shows you, a video of the ad. This is a pretty high quality video too. If you want to make some video ads, this would be a cool video to take, to edit with. So anyways, moving on into the next product we got over here. It is this one. You guys may or may not have seen this already. It's this couch covers basically for couches, chairs, sofas, all that kind of stuff. Now these are selling like absolutely crazy. I've seen a couple stores selling them already. The Cologo store is one of them. Whoever made this ad, this is a different store using their ad. But they took their ad and literally 1.6 thousand comments, 4.9 thousand likes. And if you look at the engagement, I'm assuming there's a couple thousand shares. There is almost 2,000 shares. The description is kind of wonky. All right, so if we click on their bit.ly link, we can see the website's called Has Broken. It's named IKEA Home. Okay, all right, do what you gotta do. And they've just got a whole collection of that one product. So there's a lot of different variants for this one product. 1 pillow sofa, 2 pillow sofa, all that kind of stuff. So they've got all the different variants for this one single product in AliExpress, split into different products. But all of their descriptions are exactly the same. Click over here. We're gonna sell 50 items, blah, 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 weird text, product description, and a little video over here, an actual YouTube video, which is different. If you click on that, then it'll show the actual same. All right, it's not the same video ad. I was gonna say it's probably the same video ad, but it's a different video, which is cool. Now this store does not have any reviews. I would definitely have some reviews on my store, but if we look at the AliExpress product price, you can see that we get the cheapest one, the one bed or the one sofa couch for $4, and the 4-bed one for $25. For one, they're selling for $48. The single sofa they're selling for $24, so it's around a $20 profit margin, which is pretty good. Now you can advertise this to homeowners, you can advertise this to apartment owners, people who are interested in home improvement, home repairs, that kind of stuff. That would do very, very well. Now moving on into the last product, guys. Check this out. All right, so this is a really cool, basically bouncy ball that goes on its own and it has different settings that you can use to play with your pet. So 4.7 thousand comments, 5.2 thousand likes. So click on the video, 100% automatic. Made of safe materials, waterproof, bite resistant, scratch resistant, and it basically just lets your dog play with it for absolutely ever. It just bounces all around. You can see it, like it just rolls around on its own and your pets go crazy. It's a really cool product. You can probably sell this for around $30 or so. The store is called chooseme.shop. They're selling this for $25. You can get this for around $10 on AliExpress. If you're selling this for around $30, the profit margin is around $20. Now obviously bundles do very well with this. If you're buying this for your pet, chances are they're gonna buy 2 of them. Just because a lot of products say that they're bite resistant, scratch resistant, and pet resistant, but if your dog loves a toy enough, then they're gonna destroy it. So pet owners usually buy 2 of them or more. It's a really cool product. I haven't seen this being sold anywhere else on Facebook. This is the only Facebook ad I've seen. 2 weeks ago, 1.3 million views. The engagement is absolutely crazy. So if you're interested in selling this, you should really look into it. Yeah, so it's popping right now. So about 9,000 clicks, around 1,000 clicks a day from this one store. Most of it's coming from Facebook, so if you want to run Facebook ads, direct it straight towards Facebook. Don't do Instagram, don't do anything like that, do Facebook. And it shows the countries too. The biggest country is going to be the United States. It doesn't show it right there. 9,000 clicks from the United States, and then it goes all into these little countries right here, which is really cool. It really helps you understand who's advertising, to what placement, what platform, and where. But those are some winning products that you can sell on your Shopify store. I wish you nothing but the best of luck testing these products out. They're really cool products, especially for the fall, and they all make you stop scrolling and think, wow, this product is quirky, it's cool, and I want it. So I really hope this video helped you guys and girls out. If it did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. I have a free Facebook group. That'll be the second link in the description. The first link will be my program. It is $197 right now, over 100 videos. I don't even know how many hours. I've got 3 case studies of over $500,000 in revenue alone. I show you guys all my winning products, all my winning ad sets. I literally break down every single profitable Facebook ad set that I spend $2,000 to make $10,000, $1,000 to make $8,000, stuff like that. I break it down right in front of you so you can see absolutely everything. Full transparency. I'm getting nothing but positive feedback, and I'm so happy to say that. So if you're interested, that'll be the first link in the description. If you have any questions, message me on Instagram. Message me on Instagram, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I guarantee you that I will get back to you within 24 hours. So if you're interested, please don't hesitate. Message me, and I would love to talk to you. Other than that, click the first link in the description. Now, thank you guys and girls for watching so much. Have a great day. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.